Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to download and install the Choo Choo Charles on your device. So if you wish to download the Choo Choo Charles on your device, you have to make sure to watch this video till the end. So in that case, you have to install the Steam application first of all, and then you'll be able to access the Choo Choo Charles. So first thing, go ahead and open up a browser, type in steampower.com, and when you do that, it's going to take you to their official page. And here, go ahead and press the install button and wait for the application to be completely installed. So in my case, I happen to already install it, so I'm just going to open it up. When you're done installing it, you have to go ahead and create your account. And it's a very simple process to create an account. All you have to do is just go ahead and provide in the information that has been asked, such as your email address, your phone number, your last name, for your first name, last name, and all that. And then you'll have successfully created your Steam account. As you're done creating your Steam account, in some cases you might be logged up and might be asked to log in once again. So now you have to go ahead and enter in the information, that is your email address and then the password associated with your Steam ID. You could also go ahead and scan the QR code and log in into your account. And when you're logged into your account, you need to go to your store from the home page itself, and it's gonna look something like this. So right on this page, what you'll have to do is go ahead and tap the search bar and type in Choo Choo Charles. And when you locate the following application or the game, go ahead and press on it. It's gonna take you to the page where you can go ahead and see the trailer, demo, and all that. Then go ahead and press on Add to Cart button, and after that, you need to go ahead and click the Continue button. Next page, you have to go ahead and provide in your payment details and all sort of instructions. Go ahead and follow that, and you'll have successfully downloaded and installed the Choo Choo Charles on your device. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.